In order to replace the battery for this remote, first we'll need to take out this key right here. Press and hold this button and then pull out the key. Key is taken out. Now we will be using a screwdriver like this and we'll punch in the screwdriver in that spot. Keep the button portion at the bottom, then punch in the screwdriver and then tilt until the top cover comes out. There it is, the top portion is taken out and right there is our battery. Now we will hold on to the battery from here, then punch in the screwdriver on the corner to pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the battery for this remote. And it is a CR2032 type battery. My battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, make sure the plus sign on the battery stays at the top. And then we slide in the battery into those two tabs first. Just like that. And then we press the battery downwards. There it is. Battery is completely in. Also make sure the module portion is sitting in there properly. Keep the button portion at the bottom and make sure the top cover is completely in. Now we'll press it from this side. There it is, it's in from here, also in from there. Now we'll go ahead and slide in the key. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.